In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Trello board. Let's dive right into the process of setting up a new board to keep your projects organized and productive. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Trello.com. If you don't already have a Trello account, you'll want to sign up first, but if you do, let's get you logged in. Head over to the upper right corner of the page and click on the login button. You'll notice several options available. You can log in using Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack credentials. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can use your email address to sign in. Once you're logged into Trello, turn your attention to the header. We're specifically looking for a plus sign or a create board button, which is usually to the left of your name. Click on this and you'll see a drop-down menu. Choose create board from this menu to start setting up your new board. Now you'll need to come up with a name for your board. Think of something that clearly reflects the purpose of the board or the project it represents. Naming it appropriately is crucial for easy identification and organization, especially if you plan to create multiple boards. After naming your board, it's time to decide where you'd like to place it. Trello uses workspaces to help organize boards, so select the appropriate workspace for your new board. If your board is part of a specific team or project, make sure to select the corresponding workspace to keep everything neat and organized. Next, you'll want to set the visibility of your board. This step is important as it dictates who can see and access your board. You can choose to keep your board private, making it visible only to you, or you could make it visible to your entire workspace if it involves a team. There's also an option to set your board as public, which is great for collaborative projects that involve participants outside your immediate team. Once you've set everything up and you're happy with your settings, go ahead and click the Create button to finalize your new board's creation. Congratulations, you've just created a new Trello board. With your new board ready, you can start adding lists, cards, and collaborators as needed to make the most out of it. Whether you're using it for personal tasks, team projects, or collaborative work, Trello boards are versatile tools to help manage your workflow efficiently. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to create a Trello board, paving the way for more organized and streamlined project management. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.